In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a frozen screen on your Microsoft Surface Go 3. Let's get started. First, try a simple restart by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds until the device turns off completely. Once it's off, press the power button again to turn it back on. If the screen is still frozen, perform a hard reset by pressing and holding both the power button and the volume up button simultaneously for 15 to 20 seconds. Release the buttons when the Microsoft logo appears, and the device will reboot. If the issue persists, it could be caused by an app or software glitch. Boot the Surface Go 3 into safe mode by holding the volume down button while powering it on. In safe mode, uninstall any recently installed apps or updates that might be causing the problem. Additionally, ensure your system is up to date by going to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and installing any pending updates. If none of these steps work, consider resetting your device by navigating to Settings, Recovery, Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files to preserve your data while reinstalling the operating system. If the problem still isn't resolved, it may indicate a hardware issue, and contacting Microsoft support or visiting a service center would be the next step. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Surface Go 3 is working smoothly again.